Amid the aftermath of a devastating fire, Hiju and Sa-on find themselves at a critical juncture, forced to face not only the shadows of their past but also the uncertain future they now share. Bound by loyalty, fear, and unspoken promises, they are drawn into a web of secrets that threatens to unravel everything they once knew. As the flames nearly consume Sa-on, Sang-woo arrives just in time, pulling him from the deadly inferno. The scene shifts to Hiju, her phone trembling in her hand as Sang-woo's call reaches her. Panic surges through her, and she races to the hospital, her breath hitching at the sight of Sa-on lying pale and fragile. As Sa-on begins to recover, he pulls Hiju aside, his voice trembling as he confesses, "Even if I'm not the Sa-on you once knew, does it really matter?" His hesitant embrace speaks of a longing for solace, though fear lingers in his every move. Hiju's heart pounds, torn between the man standing before her and the secrets he hides. Yet, as she feels his arms around her, her resolve strengthens. With determination burning in her eyes, she steps away, vowing to uncover the truth. Determined, Hiju embarks on a journey to piece together fragments of the past and uncover the identity of the man who remains her everything. Amid this turmoil, a public gathering buzzes with energy, reporters' chatter blending with the flash of cameras. Ina, ever poised and sharp, seizes the moment, her words carrying a sly sting. "I've always wondered who our distinguished spokesperson truly takes after," she quips, her mischievous smile drawing every gaze to Gyujin, standing just a few steps away, caught in the heat of her pointed remark. In the climactic moments, Hiju meets Sa-on's gaze, her heart steady with determination. "I'll protect you," she promises, her words heavy with conviction. Her vow echoes the strength of their bond, forged in fire and unyielding even in the face of uncertainty. As the echoes of their shared struggles fade, Hiju and Sa-on stand together at the edge of a fragile yet hopeful future. With their promises binding them and their bond tested by secrets yet to be unveiled, they must decide if they can rise from the ashes together or be torn apart by the shadows that still linger. As their journey continues, Hiju and Sa-on stand at the crossroads of hope and heartache, bound by promises and the unspoken truths that have shaped their paths. While the weight of their struggles may linger, it's the strength of their bond and the choices they make that will determine their future. Will they rise above the secrets that threaten to tear them apart, or will their love prove strong enough to carry them forward? Only time will tell, but one thing remains certain: their story is far from over. Thanks for watching a video, share your comments and subscribe to our channel. See you in next video.